When it comes to learning English, I think the problem is not in making mistake. The problem is not learning from your mistakes. This is the greatest mistake that you all make when we are learning English. I have been evaluating myself by finding out my mistake and correcting myself for the last few days, and I have seen a dramatic and drastic change in myself in my English. And guys, if you wanna learn, if you wanna improve yourself, and you have to learn from your mistakes. I make a lot of mistakes while making video, while I talk, while I write, while I just everything. No matter while I use English, I make mistake and I learn from them every single day, every single time. And the thing that you will find is that when you're learning, like you have mistake one sentence, and you can ask ChatGPT to correct yourself. And this is what I do, because I don't have any teacher. If you do have any teacher, then you can ask them, or you can use simple ChatGPT or Grammarly. The on the app. Okay, so I use sometimes, but I use ChatGPT most. So you can use ChatGPT. So this is what I wanted to say in this video, and yeah. So this is the first step that has gone, and another step after learning from your mistakes. All you need to do, you have to implement in your practical life what have you learned from your mistake, from ChatGPT or from your teacher. But if you don't if you don't actually implement all the thing in your practical life, then you are not going to improve. Okay, so yeah, I may have made a lot of mistakes in my videos in this video, so I don't care. I'll learn from this video, I'll improve, and I'll move forward to learn and grow more. So if you want to improve drastically and dramatically, then you should learn from your mistakes. This is the greatest way to learn, and each and every mistake is an opportunity to learn and go and move faster. This is very simple. This is what does many people, many language learners don't understand. So that's why you have to understand the simple thing, and you have to grow. So tata bye bye guys. Keep learning from your mistakes and grow yourself.